In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Google AI Studio. We'll start by opening Google AI Studio in your browser. If you're not there yet, simply search for Google AI Studio and open the main Google AI Studio page from the results. Once the site loads, you'll be ready to move into the workspace where screen sharing is available. From the main interface, click on Playground. This is the area where you can interact with different models and tools, and it's also where you'll begin the setup for a live session. After that, look to the top right area of the screen and click on the default AI model that's currently selected. This opens the model options so you can switch to a mode that supports live features. Next, click on Live. This is the setting that enables the real-time experience, including screen sharing. Once you're in the live section, choose a model. For example, you may see a live preview model available, and you can select the one that best fits your use case. The important part here is choosing a model that supports the live session you're trying to start. After selecting your model, click on Share Audio from tab. At this point, Google AI Studio will begin connecting to a server, so give it a moment to finish. It's normal for this to take a few seconds, so just wait until the connection is established. When the sharing prompt appears, choose the tab or screen you want to share. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple tabs or windows open. If needed, make sure the correct tab is set to include audio as well. Once everything looks right, click Share. And that's it. Your screen share should now be active inside Google AI Studio, allowing you to use the live session with the content you selected.